Hey guys, this is Bulu Biker and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to review a different thing. I am really excited to review this because I am going to review this today. So this is the SJ8 Pro from SJCAM. Why I am excited? Because starting from SJ4000 to 5000, 6000, 7 and then 8, I have almost owned all these cameras. These are the cameras from where I started my channel, my YouTube channel. I started motovlogging with SJ4000 and then 5000 and then 6000 and then 7 and then 8 is here. So apart from the GoPro Hero 5, now I'm going to use this camera as my secondary camera, or it might also be the primary camera, depends on the quality of footage that I get from this camera. The biggest advantage with this camera, again as the SJ6 and 7, is that it also supports external microphone. So external microphone, hope you guys understand. If you are a motovlogger, then you understand this very well, that we need an external microphone inside our helmet so that we can speak out whenever we see something or we experience something. So let's go ahead and see what is there inside the box, and let's see what is the quality of this camera. So I got this packet for $249, and online, obviously I bought it online from China. So I'll share the link in the description section of the video. I'll share the exact link, which is a discounted link. I'll also try to figure out if there is a coupon code. I'll also paste it in the description section of the video. You can directly buy there. Let's quickly unbox this and see what is there inside this, and after that we are going to see the camera and also footages from this camera. So I'll install this Samsung memory card inside the camera. So here we go, and now we can switch this on. So here is the power button, press and hold. So here's the video menu. You can see 4K at 60 fps. So that is the most advanced feature in this camera, 4K quality video with 60 fps. So my favorite anyway is 1080 at 60, so we'll go here 1080, and so it's like the menu is more or less like the GoPro Hero 5. Here we can change, and I am very much impressed with the touch quality of this camera. It is awesome. It's very nice. The touch quality is very nice. So that is my favorite settings, 1080 at 60 fps. Then next, coming to close this, here we have a mode. So it says video mode, video lapse mode. The graphic quality is very nice in this camera, and the screen size is also quite big, you can see. So slow recording is a slow-mo, and then photo lapse, burst mode, and then we have video or photo mode, video plus photo mode, and then car mode. So car mode, you can use this camera as a dash cam as well. That looks impressive. Here we have the other settings. So color is SJCAM, metering center, gyro sensor is off, we can make it on. Gyro stabilization, encoding is H.264, distortion correction, we can also put this to on. Okay, loop recording, file size is 5 minutes, video quality should be fine. Okay, and so max 6400, audio on, timestamp up, app preview. Now let's go to the screen. Now I shall take some videos out of this camera, and then after that I'm going to show you some sample footages with this camera and see how the quality is. I also try to take some sample with both GoPro as well as this camera to understand how good or bad this camera is in comparison to the Hero 5. Well, keeping both this camera side by side, you can see the size. I mean, GoPro, the Hero 5 feels little bulkier as far as this is concerned without the cover. With the cover, obviously this is quite bulky, but without the cover it's little slimmer than the GoPro Hero 5. and build quality for both the cameras are good. So this has a rubberish finish throughout the camera. Feels very smooth. This is how. But screen wise, yeah, this has a bigger screen than the GoPro. You can see it here. This has a bigger screen, so it's a wider and little tall screen. It looks really good. The quality looks so far very good. Well, now let's go outside and see how both of this camera performs and which is better. Well, friends, today the climate was really bad. I mean, it was kind of cloudy, not a clear visible sky, and because of that the footage is not that great. So what I'll do is like I'll create a more detailed video review with different kind of video footages, and I'll also compare it directly with the GoPro with additional footages so that you'll get more to know about this camera. Since today I collected this camera, so I thought let's just unbox this, and this can be an overview kind of video. So the next video will be a detailed one, and also by that time I have already ordered my external microphone for the SJ8, so it should also arrive in next couple of days. So once I get it, I think it would be great to do a detailed review. That's all about it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Well, I hope you liked this video and the camera as well. So if you like this video, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button, and you can also share this video with your friends, whoever is looking to buy this camera. Please also do let me know if you want any specific kind of test or video footage with this camera. I'll try to do that and upload. I'll also try to find out if any of my friend owns a GoPro 6 Hero 6, so that we can get a detailed review of both this camera. As I said, if you would like to buy this camera, then the best link I will be sharing in the description section of the video. You can buy them online. And please note one more thing: if you are buying from the link which I suggest, then please select the shipment option as Indian Ecom Express at the shipment page. So that might cost you around like $2 or $3 more, but trust me guys, it will be safe and it reaches your destination by 10 to 12 days, and also you will save a lot of money from custom. It's not going to be held at customs, and you don't have to pay any custom charges. If you are going to select DHL or FedEx or any kind of fastest shipment methods, then 100% you have to pay custom. And also please do not forget to select the insurance option. It is again $1 or $2, but it's going to protect your shipment. If it is lost or damaged during the transit, you're going to recover your money back. That's all about it, friends. So have a great day and bye bye. Take care.